Yo, what's up, beautiful people? It's your mentor Dendi JPY, the one and only Japanese CN, guys. So welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. Welcome back, guys. If it's your first time, please make sure you subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified once we drop again. And don't forget to subscribe, man. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. As you saw the thumbnail and the caption, yeah, guys, we're doing it. New York session was successfully executed some young trades, guys. So yeah, guys, stay tuned, guys. Make sure you watch the video until the end, guys.
Anyway, guys, that's the mentor, the grandson of Nas, Faith, Nasday. Okay, guys, thank you guys for tuning in this video, guys. I'm with the Bruella here. As you guys can see, I'm with Dolezo, guys. This is one and only dollar, guys. So yeah, guys, as you guys can see today, we brought you guys the very same content that we used to give you guys, which is we'll be analyzing New York session currently now, guys. As you guys can see on the screen, guys, we're trading with the best profit and wealth, you understand? So make sure you trade with the best profit and wealth. So guys, without no waste of any time, guys, let's just jump to the chart and see what is happening, you understand? So yeah, guys, today, guys, I'm just gonna start analyzing USDT. I'm just gonna stick to USDT. So, and also dollar will also analyze for you guys. I don't know what you guys, what is it that you want?
I'm thinking of currency, bro.
Okay, currency, yeah. So me, guys, I'm just gonna go for USDT, guys, on during New York session now at 4:30. So yeah, guys, let's jump to the chart and see what is happening, guys. So remember, guys, when I analyze, guys, I mostly start with my weekly time frame, which is the bigger time frame. You understand? So yeah, guys, it's been a while without uploading any video, guys. So let's make sure we check on this one and see what is happening. You understand? So yeah. So this is my weekly time frame. So what I do mostly is that I focus on the high time frame firstly. Understand? So this is my highest time frame. I mean my highest point. So this is my highest point, and I'm gonna come for my current lowest point. So for me, guys, I feel like my current highest point is definitely this point. You understand? As you can see, this is my current lowest point. You understand? So from there, and remember, the reason why we start with the weekly time frame is because we want to see the structure of the market, the overall structure on USDT. You understand? So as you guys can see, my overall structure, I'll have to use it tonight to see what has been happening on USDT. What is it that the market has been respecting when it pushes to the top? Because we can see in overall the market has been pushing to the top. You understand? Which is it has been giving us the highest point, lowest point, highest point, lowest point, while it pushes to the top. You understand? So yeah, then from there, what I have to do is that I have to focus on the current highest point and current lowest point, and cater places when the market touches the market reverse. You understand? So yeah, those are the points here. You can see the market reverse once it touches. You understand? So also on this point here, the market, when it touches the market reversed. You understand? So guys, I'm trying to be fast so that this video cannot be long. You understand? So yeah, also this point, I feel like there's also a zone here, which is a stronger zone, because remember, guys, the higher the time frame, the stronger the zone. You understand? So from there, I'm gonna switch to my daily time frame. So this is my daily time frame. As you can see, on the daily time frame, we have what we call the major key, of which this major key, I can literally start from this point here and understand that the market has been literally respecting this trend line. You understand? And also on this point, guys, we can have also this one here. You understand? I know some of you guys can say these lines, they don't literally make sense, but if you pay attention on these lines, on the strong zones, strong levels, you'll definitely understand what is happening, and you'll definitely find what is actually make the market to reverse in most of the time. So on this one, you can see that the market literally broke this point. But for me, definitely, I feel like also we have what we call the strongest support here, the one that literally made the market to reverse. Understand? So from there, I'm just going to switch to forward time frame. So you can see that it is 4:30, so which is the session just open now, and the chances of the market not really move it on the same time can happen actually. You understand? So we just have to do what? We just have to catch the movement that it's about to happen, because it can literally happen after the market opens. You understand? So from there, what I see is that I literally see the market respecting this point here. I understand. We can literally say it was literally a simple downtrend that the market literally respected, and also the market left a gap here. And you need to understand, when it comes to gaps, the chances of the market come to refill the gap. You understand? So we have a gap that the market needs to come and refill. So also I just have to point this one here, because I understand that the market has been completing this overall downtrend, respecting all of them. Understand? So also this point we have, as the market is above this point, it can literally become our strongest support. So for me, guys, currently I'm just gonna look at the market pushing to the top, respecting and filling this gap. So you just have to push to the top, respecting this overall downtrend, and also the strongest resistance on the 4-hourly time frame. You understand? So from there, guys, me, I'm just gonna look out for more of buying opportunities on USDT. So I'm gonna switch to daily time frame. I'm just gonna quickly do what? I'm just gonna quickly push to the top with it. So for me, I'm just gonna be opening my buying trades on USDT, and push to the top to fill this gap. You understand? So for me, the purpose of this USDT setup is to fill the gap. So I'm just gonna push with it to the top. So I'm just gonna give dollar here the chances of him actually analyze for you guys and see what is it that he has for you guys. You understand? So shout out dollar. Let's go.
Yo. Shout out Faith Nasdaq. Shout out Faith Nasdaq. Okay, guys, it's quite simple, guys. Quite simple. I think the bro is going to go to the bathroom now. I'm not sure where the bro is going. So yeah, guys, before we start with anything, please don't forget to follow, like, and subscribe to the bro there. And then yeah, guys, so let's start with everything. I'm going to be analyzing, let me say, Euro USD currency, guys. Hey, what's up? Dendi JPY, the one and only
Japanese yen.
Yo, about
What's up? It's a New York session vibes.
Yeah, it's New York session vibes, bro. It's New York session vibes. And then, guys, usually me, guys, I use the CRT strategy. Yeah, I know. I hope some of you know it very well. But before we start, let me jump into last candlestick on my highest time frame, which is going to be the monthly time frame. And I just want to see how the market has been moving. So I'll highlight the highest point for last month's candlestick and also my lowest point here, and then I'll just jump to my 1 day time frame. So on my 1 day time frame, as you can see, guys, the market has been playing around, but then pushed to the downside and then went up. So it giving us this push to the downside could simply mean liquidity sweep. We're just grabbing some liquidity. Maybe they were buyers here at this point, plus they were also sellers at this point. So as you can see here, it was just a liquidity zone. So now let's move on to the lowest time frame, because we already marked out why the market pushed down and then went up again. So now we'll move to our 1 hour time frame, and then on our hour time frame, I just want to see where the market gave us a clear change of character or change of anything. But guys, here, guys, I'm just giving you a short analysis. This is not for New York or whatsoever. It's just analysis, because I'm more of a why are you laughing, bro?
No, what are you doing, bro? Okay, guys, never mind.
I'm more of a swing trader, guys. Yeah, swing trading, guys. These sessions I get my signals from Faith and Dendi there. Yeah, the bros are telling me that bro, buy now, New York session, sell, New York session. Yeah, other than that, guys, guys. So as you can see, guys, we have this market structure here, and then what do we have here? A change of character at this zone. So in this zone, guys, as you can see, we also have this fair value gap. So
for me, guys, I'll just simply wait for the market to come back to this point, put my stop loss here real tight, and then I'll target this high here. So this is the hour time frame, guys. So if the market comes back to this zone on my 1 hour time frame, which I think is going to happen after, I don't know, maybe tomorrow, maybe the next day, I don't know, but it just has to come back, tap into this zone, and then push to the upside. So once it taps into this zone, go check me on my TikTok channel, which is offense_dxy_, and then you'll see how this trade is moving, guys. So besides that, let me jump over to Dandy JPY and give him the platform.
Nah, they're not ready.
They're not ready, bro.
Hey, what's up, beautiful people? It's your mentor Dandy JPY. As they introduce me, the one and only Japanese guy. So now, guys, you saw the brews they've been analyzing for New York session, and they've been cooking, guys. Remember, guys, trading is a language. So if we don't see the same thing between the brews, that means there's something wrong. Understand? That means someone is speaking Afrikaans, someone is speaking English, which is we must all speak Afrikaans, Jefferson. So yeah, man, this thing is like a language, guys. If we're using the same strategy, we need to see the same thing. So me, I'm gonna jump into Nasdaq. So guys, me, whatever I do here, you're gonna feel like maybe it's something that is being done by Fade Nasdaq. Whatever Fade Nasdaq does, you're gonna feel like maybe it's something done by Dandy. So I'm gonna start on 1 week time frame as usually, guys. You know it's very important to start on the highest time frame. Then I'm gonna highlight my highest point, guys. And one thing I've noticed, guys, this thing, they don't move the same direction lately, guys. Now they don't move because of the correlation and whatsoever. Now they move in terms of structure, guys. So the structure, you know what I'm saying. So as you can see, I've highlighted my highest point and my previous high. Why I'm saying this is my previous high, guys, because you can see we came here to tap, then we started to fake out and we reversed, then we broke it. We retested, we went back on the smaller time frames. Here on 1 week you won't see it. Then this we consider it as a fake out. So we've been playing off inside this zone, you understand? So I'm gonna switch to 1 day now. So as you can see how clean it is on 1 day, because check here, guys, you understand? So guys, this thing is something light, man. These are fake outs, guys, because you see we've been on the zone right now. Then now I'm on 1 day, right? Then on 1 day, that's when I'm gonna highlight where the market rejects, where the market reverses, and I'm looking for the structure of the market. So remember, in order for your trend to be more valid, you need to have more than 3 touches, which is, as you can see, guys, I'm having 1, 2, 3, and we broke the trend. Understand? So there are higher chances for us to complete the 90%. The 90% is where the trend started. Understand? But we must not aim high, you know, guys. Don't be greedy, guys. Don't be greedy. So then I'm gonna highlight this zone as well. Reason being, because if you can check, we have a mid high here, then we broke, came back to retest, then we came here again, then we retest and whatsoever. So we are currently sitting on the zone, which is, we might consider it as our resistance, and this might be our support, because that's where we started buying, and this is where we started selling. Not here, basically, even here we started selling, but even here we're still on the safe side to execute our selling opportunities. Because if you can check properly on 4 hour, we broke, and we can consider this as a retest on the zone. Unless we break it on the smaller time frame, then we close above it. That's where we're gonna be targeting for buying opportunities, guys, as you can see. So I'm not gonna waste any time, guys, and put more things and whatsoever, guys. You know what I'm saying? So as you can see on the 1 hour time frame, check from where we started, guys. This zone is currently strong, because we've been here, we broke it, and we failed to come back inside it, which is now we are currently sitting inside it, guys. You know, that's my reason number 1 why I'm saying the zone is currently strong, guys. So we might be faking out or false breakout and whatsoever during the New York opening, but basically we're looking for selling opportunities on Nasdaq. I'm looking for selling opportunities targeting this level. That's where I'm gonna be confident more enough to execute my buying opportunities, you understand? Because we are currently on the zone. I was gonna be confident enough to take buying opportunities if we broke and we retested. That's where I was gonna be confident enough. But as you saw on 4 hour, we broke inside the zone and we retested. As you can see, it's currently reversing massively. So yeah guys, stay tuned for more videos. Please make sure you like and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified once we upload another videos, guys. As you can see on 5 minutes, it's a clean entry. We never miss, you know what I'm saying. We're signing out, guys. See you on the next video.